Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're activating Windows XP via telephone. I want to apologize for the audio in the video because it was recorded with the integrated microphone in the webcam that I used to record my telephone. So sorry for that, it caused much audio like my fans' laptops and my family. So sorry for that, and let's start with the video.
The toll-free number you have dialed is not toll-free if called from outside the United States. You will be charged at international direct dial rates. If you do not wish to be charged, please hang up now. Hi, thanks for calling the Microsoft Product Activation Service. Para español, diga español o oprima el 2. Pour le français, dites français. What? To help us improve the quality of our products, services, and training, this call may be recorded or monitored, and information collected on this call may be accessed by Microsoft affiliates, subsidiaries, and service providers internationally. To consent to recording or monitoring of this call, press 1. To continue without recording or monitoring, press 2. Thank you. For security purposes, I need you to repeat the following phrase, 308.
308.
Thank you. Let's see what I can help with. Are you calling to activate Office or Windows? Need help with remote desktop licenses or something else?
Windows.
Sorry, I didn't quite catch that. Please tell me what I can help you with today.
Windows.
Okay, let me see if I can help. Are you looking to activate your product today?
Yes.
Are you calling about Windows 10 and newer?
No, for Windows XP.
Okay, help with activation. Before we start the activation process, are you at your computer with the activation wizard open?
Yes.
Okay, thanks. In order to activate your product, I'll need to confirm your installation ID. This is the number that should appear in 6 or 7-digit groups on your activation wizard. Do you have this number up on your screen?
Yes.
Perfect. Please let me know when you are ready to start speaking the installation ID.
I'm ready.
Okay, please read aloud the first group of digits, speaking one digit at a time.
307292.
I believe you said 307292. Did I get that right?
No.
Okay, no problem. Let's try that again. Please repeat the first group of digits once more.
307292.
I believe you said 307292. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, please read the second group of digits.
8, 5, 1, 6, 7, 3.
I heard 8, 5, 1, 6, 7, 3. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, please read the third group of digits.
4, 7, 9, 8, 9, 3.
Sorry, I didn't seem to hear a valid set of digits there. Please repeat the third group of digits once more.
4, 7, 9, 8, 9, 3.
I believe you said 4, 7, 9, 8, 9, 3. Is that correct?
Yes.
Great. Please read the fourth group of digits.
6, 3, 5, 8, 7, 5.
I believe you said 6, 3, 5, 8, 7, 5. Is that right?
Yes.
Thanks. Please read the next group of digits.
6, 7, 1, 5, 0, 3.
Okay, that was 6, 7, 1, 5, 0, 3. Is that correct?
Yes.
Great. Please read the next group of digits.
7, 5, 9, 3, 5, 2.
I heard 7, 5, 9, 3, 5, 2. Is that correct?
Yes.
Great. Please read the next group of digits.
8, 9, 8, 3, 6, 4.
I believe you said 8, 9, 8, 3, 6, 4. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, please read the eighth group of digits.
5, 8, 1, 3, 8, 1.
I heard 5, 8, 1, 3, 8, 1. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, please read the ninth group of digits.
6, 7, 4, 1, 7, 5.
I believe you said 6, 7, 4, 1, 7, 5. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, great. One moment while I validate your installation ID. Your installation ID was successfully validated. To complete your activation, I will now read you your confirmation ID. I will read you your confirmation ID in 6-digit segments, which you will need to enter into the empty blocks on your activation wizard. Please let me know when you are ready for me to start speaking your confirmation ID.
I'm ready.
Okay, in block A, please enter 0, 2, 8, 3, 3, 0. Again, that was 0, 2, 8, 3, 3, 0. Please say next after you have entered those in block A, or I can repeat that block again if you need.
Repeat.
Again, the last block was 0, 2, 8, 3, 3, 0, and you need to enter that into block A. Please let me know when you have completed that and are ready to continue.
I'm ready.
Please enter 868183 into block B. Again, that was 868183. Say next when you are finished. The previous block was 868183, and that needs to be entered into block B in your activation wizard. Please say next or press 1 when you are ready to continue. Please enter 9827880 into block C. Again, that was 9827880. Say next when you are finished. The
Next.
previous block. Please enter 668144 into block D. Again, that was 668144. Say next when you are finished. The
Next.
previous block was. Please enter 08137 into block E. Again, that was 08137. Say next when you are finished.
Next.
Please enter 96390 into block F. Again, that was 96390. Say next when you are finished.
Next.
The previous. Okay, this is the last block. Please enter 504163 into block G. Again, that was 504163. Say done when you are finished.
Done.
The previous. Okay, that's the entire confirmation ID. You should now have all the blocks on your screen filled. Before proceeding, please take a moment to write that entire confirmation ID down. It can be reused in the future should you ever need it. Next, when you are ready, click on the Activate button. If no error message appears, then your product has been successfully activated. I'll give you some time and check back with you.
We finished. We have successfully activated Windows XP via telephone in
were you able to complete
2023.
your activation successfully?
Yes,
Just let me know if you need more time.
we don't need this anymore. So yeah, we have officially installed Windows XP activated via telephone. So thank you so much guys for watching, and take care, and see ya in next video. Bye bye.